Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a big skincare and hair care haul. There are a lot of things that I wanted to try and I have got a lot of things to try. So yeah, I wanted to quickly show you what all I got. And before we get started, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so. Hit on the notification button, grab a cup of water, coffee, tea, whatever makes you happy. And it's gonna be a long video, so let's get started. I have been, as you know, lately into a lot of skincare. I am trying to improve my skin, my hair. So there are a lot of things that I have to try for that. Some of these things I've already started using, so I can give you my mini initial thoughts on these. So the first thing that I got is the Indulgio Essentials Rosehip Oil. This is how it looks. Pretty nice. It comes in a cardboard bottle and your bottle is inside. This is how it looks. I've already used this twice and it's too soon to say anything about it, but yeah, I think rosehip oil is something that I've been using for at least a year and I've used already two of the other oils, so probably after this I use this one. I'll be doing a review of rosehip oils and which one I like better. This one is for rupees 810 and I think there was some 10-15% discount, something like that. So this is the first thing that I got. Okay, the next thing that I got is this Avene thermal spring water. So this is how the bottle looks. It is a spray bottle, pretty nice. So this is for sensitive skin, soothing, anti-irritating. This is 50 ml and this is a little expensive, guys. I don't remember kitne ka hai. I think this is for 800 rupees if I'm not wrong, guys. Screenshot पे रहेगा, पिटाई मत करना, याद नहीं रहता है, but screenshot पे रहेगा. But the idea of getting me this was I'm trying some new toners and this is something that I wanted to try as a toner. So yeah, I think this is a very famous product from Avene, so I just wanted to go ahead and try this one. The next thing that I got is this Bioderma Atoderm Intensive Balm. So yeah, this is how it looks. Bioderma Atoderm Balm. So this is repairs, restores lipids, anti-itching for very dry, irritated and sensitive skin. So if you've been watching my channel, I think I've mentioned that I have dry skin. Earlier I had oily skin and I went through a journey of skin change. We'll talk about that in some other video, but yeah, now I'm more towards a drier skin and I've heard really good things about this one if you have a dry skin, so I wanted to try this. This is again a little expensive, on the expensive side. Like guys, my Bioderma is like a great brand. This is 1300 rupees, but this is 200 ml, a good, you know, tube that you are getting. I haven't opened this, abhi ye seal pe hi hai, but yeah, I'm really excited to try this one, especially for my night skincare routine. So this is non-sticky, non-oily, unfragranced. That's absolutely wonderful. I think if you, so I'm not a person who hates fragrances. Like it's not that अगर है fragrance तो मैं बिल्कुल लगाऊंगी ही नहीं, no, but definitely I would want to prefer a unfragranced product anytime if I get one, because obviously, you know, fragrance can cause dermatitis, some kind of irritation. Eventually, it immediately nahi hota, it takes a lot of time, but I'm trying to move towards non-fragrance products. This is one of them. The next thing that I got is this La Shield Physico Matte Sunscreen Gel. This is how it looks. So this one is 25% zinc oxide. So this is a physical sunscreen. It is SPF 50 plus and PA triple plus. It is water resistance up to 8 hours, dermatologically tested, chemical filter free. This is in a matte sunscreen gel. I already have a La Shield sunscreen that I'm currently using. I will be doing another review, but yeah, this is the next one that I wanted to try and see the difference between matte and the non-matte one. So the next thing that I got is the I Am Rice Toner. This is the Korean skin brand. This is how it looks. This is a very freaking small tube, like bottle, you can see. It's kind of a sample size. 30 ml ka product hai ye, and this is something that, you know, James Welch raves about it a lot and I really wanted to try. a very good, as I said, I'm wanting to try great toners. I'm really looking for some good toners, and this was one of the suggestions that he had, so I wanted to go ahead and try it. But guys, this is freaking expensive. I think iski 100 ml ki bottle is like 3000 rupees, something like that, 2870, something like that. So I didn't wanted to go ahead and like directly buy such expensive things, so I thought 30 ml ले लेते हैं. I think ये मुझे 700 rupees का पड़ा, something like that. Really looking forward to try this one. आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि बहुत ही अच्छा होगा, तो फिर 2800 रुपये का बॉटल खरीदा जाएगा. Okay, the next thing that I got is simple refreshing face wash. This is 100% soap free. I've heard a lot about this one from a lot of people. So yeah, I'm using very gentle face washes these days, specifically like the cream based face washes. So I thought that for some days when I have a little bit of breakout here and there, I feel that gel wale thode better rehte hain. So I was not using a gel face wash for a very long time, so this one I just thought that would be a good idea to incorporate one gel face wash in my routine. So I got this one. This one is pretty decent, like 325 rupees का है ये, and 150 ml है, so you don't need a lot of it. So I've used it already twice or thrice, so I really like it. I think it does a good job. Got a lot of things from CosRX. So I've already been using some of the products from CosRX. I have bought one or more things from CosRX as well, but they are still on the way, but I'll quickly tell you. So the first thing that I have is this Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence. This is the most raved product from CosRX. This was the first thing that I bought from CosRX. This is the second bottle that I have. The first bottle is almost about to finish, usme itna bacha hai, so I got my backup. I really love this, guys. No matter what your skin type is, this is something that you should definitely get. So I will be doing my morning night skincare routine, those kind of videos very soon. You will definitely see there this product there. So if you're looking for very nice plump, hydrated, beautiful, shiny skin, this is something that you definitely need. So get your hands on it if you can. Normally CosRX के products थोड़े से out of stock रहते हैं, but there are two websites, Beauty Barn and there is macron.com या .in. मैं वेबसाइट के नाम नीचे डाल दूंगी, वहाँ पे डेफिनेटली आपको CosRX के प्रोडक्ट्स डेफिनेटली मिल जाते हैं, बट स्टिल दीज आर वेरी लाइक अप देयर प्रोडक्ट्स, तो बहुत जल्दी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाते हैं. तो आपको जब भी मिले, प्लीज गेट योर हैंड्स ऑन इफ यू आर वांटिंग टू ट्राई दिस. द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई गॉट इज द अल्टीमेट नरिश राइस ओवरनाइट मास्क फ्रॉम CosRX. This is again something that I was really wanting to try. As I said, dry skin है मेरा, so I'm trying some good products for dry skin. So इसीलिए Bioderma का वो दूसरा प्रोडक्ट लिया था और ये वाला प्रोडक्ट लिया था. This one is again for ₹1300. अच्छा सॉरी, इस ये वाला is 1360, the Snail Mucin वाला Power Essence, and this one is 1300 rupees. 60 ml है ये, और ये 100 ml है. This one is 100 ml, this is 60 ml. So this nourishing rice mask. So specifically these are the things which will be your last thing when you go to sleep. You have to put it like a little bit more and put it like a mask and sleep overnight. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to try this one, guys. The next thing that I got from CosRX is the 2-in-1 poreless power liquid. Yeah, so again this is a very famous product from them and I really wanted to try this. Specifically this is for pore care and it has BHA which helps tighten them, something that I really look forward to because I had oily skin, that's why I have pore issues. So yeah, for pore tightening this is something that I'm really looking forward. And the next thing that I got is this Dermite Cica Barrier Sleeping Pack. This is from Purito. I have also heard a lot of good things about this product. Specifically if you have irritated skin, you have compromised skin barrier, so this is something that would really help you. This is how it looks. It's a very nice beautiful packaging. It comes in a tube, so this would be the last step in your nighttime skincare routine. I have used this couple of times. This is magical product. अगर आपको थोड़े बहुत वो छोटे छोटे I'll not say acne, but you get some थोड़े छोटे छोटे दाने हो जाते हैं, या थोड़ा स्किन इरिटेटेड हो गई है, किसी प्रोडक्ट से इरिटेट हो गई है, या फिर सन से इरिटेट हो गई है, या फिर फॉर एनी मैटर किसी भी चीज़ से इरिटेट हो गई है, रात को पुट दिस एंड स्लीप, एंड इन द मॉर्निंग योर स्किन विल फील सो नाइस, रिलैक्स्ड. यू विल फील कि वो टेक्सचर जो आपके स्किन पे था वो कम हो गया है. दिस इज़ अ मैजिकल प्रोडक्ट गाइज. आई लव दिस. Very very good. Once I finish this, probably the next thing that I want to try is Bioderma की Sika cream. उसका भी मैंने बहुत कुछ I've heard great things about it, so that will be the next one that I tried, but this one is amazing. ये वाला again guys I don't remember कितने का था. I think this was for 1400 rupees, something like that. So yeah, this is the next thing. I have been into Korean skincare like a lot. Korean skincare is everywhere these days, so yeah, I also am trying, and till now I am extremely happy with the way things have been turning out. I will be doing dedicated reviews for all of these, so yeah, wait for that. The next thing that I got is this FCL Fix Derma Laboratories Vitamin C Serum. So this is how it looks. It comes in a very nice bottle. So this is how the bottle looks. Very nice and aesthetic, beautiful bottle. This is a vitamin C which has 25% vitamin C. Normally more than 20% इतना effective नहीं होता, but this is a product that a lot of dermatologists recommend if you are wanting to try a vitamin C. I have used some other vitamin C's, again another video for that, but this is the next one that I wanted to go ahead and try. As you know, FCL is a brand that I trust. I'm already using their shampoo and conditioner and I really love them. They saved my hair, so I was like, why not go ahead and try it. जब मैंने ये खरीदा था, this was on a 20 or 25% discount. This is a pretty expensive product guys. This is 3625 rupees MRP. जब मैंने खरीदा था, I think मैंने 25% discount पे खरीदा. So when I saw this was on discount, I just got crazy and I just bought it. This has the form of vitamin C that it has is 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is an expensive ingredient, so probably that's why this is a little expensive, but I have not really started trying this, but I'll definitely try this and let you know what my thoughts on this one. Okay, next thing that I got is from this brand called DoYou. So I was going through Instagram and one day this ad popped up on my Instagram. So I am a sucker for lip balms, anything that has to do with lips, lip care and all of that. So I got this one. So this is part of all of the packaging. So I got this thing from DoYou. So the first thing that I got is this DoYou Softening Lip Serum, moisturizes and softens, nourishes and protects and gives instant shine. Let me just quickly show you how it looks. So this is how the lip serum looks like. It's kind of a roll-on thing, some balm kind of a smell. It's clear roll-on kind of, and then it comes into this steel kind of a tip to it, which is a roll-on. So it's pretty interesting thing. I think I got all of these three in a bundle, and it was something like a discount, 500 rupees. I think I got all of these three. Then I got this face wash, deep cleansing, hydrating and softening. I think this is a sample that they have sent it along with this. The sad part is it doesn't mention the ingredients. Why don't people mention ingredients? Not sure what to say about this one. Okay, the next thing that I got was lip plumping serum. So yeah, I haven't tried anything which is lip plumping. This is with cinnamon, so I think essentially cinnamon is what causes tingling sensation and plumping to your skin, to your lips, sorry. This one is rupees 350. So this is the lip plumping serum. This is how it looks. Again, it's kind of a roll-on thing, और उसमें आगे ये steel वाला कुछ है. I will be using this and I will let you know how I feel about it. Okay, so this one is a little more cooling than the other one. So we'll see how it goes. And I also got another oil from Indulgio. This is their 100% cold pressed argan oil. So argan oil is something that I have been always using as my hair serum, and it has been working really nice for me. I think this one is rupees 750. Again, I got this in discount, I think 10-15%. The next thing that I got is this black seed hair serum from the Natural Wash. So this is how it looks. It was in offer and it has this rose water mist along with it. It says this controls frizz, prevents split ends, detangles hair, suits all hair types. It has fenugreek oil in it. So I wanted to go ahead and try this. This one is for rupees 520. It's 100 ml and then it had this rose water free. So yeah, this rose water is for what, 30 ml. 30 ml of rose water is free with this one. So yeah, this is the next product. The last thing that I got is just probably a repurchase, from Coco Soul. This is their hair conditioner from Coco Soul, something that I love. So, and then I got their face wash as well, and then this one was their face wash. Okay, so actually I had bought these two things and I got this mini face wash free with this. So yeah, this was my last thing that I bought. So guys, that was everything. It was a pretty long video and there were a lot of things. This is not something that I bought, in 15 days. This is something probably I bought in last 2 months or so. But yeah, I always want to, instead of doing small hauls, I want to prefer and show you a couple of things together. So yeah, that was all I got and that was everything that I wanted to show you. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, hit on the notification button so that you never miss any video from my end. And we will meet very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.